Good afternoon, it's Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. We're standing at a house called the Wilburn Ridge, and somebody is about to move in next week, so we figure we better get our video while we can. Anyway, if you find anything of value in our videos, we sure appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button below. We will be offering these plans for sale as well. Hopefully we'll have a link for you by the time we get this video out. Anyway, this plan is called the Wilburn Ridge. Now, just a few things out front. Of course, we got our board and batten shutters because we're not a huge fan of plastic shutters. We avoid them when we can. We've got, see that vertical siding? That's called a board and bat siding up there for accent on the gable, and it kind of goes with the garage door. If you look at the panels on the garage doors, they have that same vertical kind of craftsman looking siding. Let's see, we've got the bars in the windows, the grids, we call that style prairie. It's vertical up and down, goes with that same theme, along with the front door. Now the stone accents are a great colored stone called Pennsylvania from Dutch Quality. Great color stone, and it really kind of goes with this clay, kind of gray beige kind of color scheme. We put some accent hinges, handles and hinges on the garage door just for a little bit, for just a little more pop. If you look over here, next door neighbor, as I said in another video, they had some drainage problems up there. They had no retaining wall. Actually the house got flooded and they had to replace flooring. So obviously we did not want to repeat that tradition. So we ended up putting in this retaining wall. We have some drain systems run behind there. Was a little expensive, but we've had some hellacious rain since and not a drop inside the house. So drainage problems are no fun. So we do everything we can to avoid them. Now, anyway, you come up the front. Let's go take a look inside. We got this nice front porch area here. There we got a knotty pine wood ceiling. We put recessed can lights up in there. These posts, this product is called MirrorTech. It's an attractive wood look, but it is it's painted, but it won't peel and rot like wood will. It holds paint much longer. And you can see it's done on all the beams up high in all the areas, and that's what the shutters are made out of. And the siding is concrete fiberboard, made to look like a wood or cedar lap siding, but it's actually made of concrete and fiberboard, so it very, very durable product. Does not absorb water. Oh, anyway, when we put that window up above, it's called a transom window, so we put a transom over this front door. Let's take a look inside of the Wilburn Ridge with dark oak flooring. You come in, you can see all the way out to the back, the natural area out back. Get this great stone fireplace as your focal point right in the middle of your living room. You get 3 big windows out there going out to your screen porch, so it all kind of feels continuous, kind of feels like it's an extension of your living room. Your door, full pane windows. Everything out there, and again, knotty pine ceiling with a ceiling fan out back. Where's your dining area? Got your dining area, kitchen, all in that big open concept floor plan that everybody likes. Smooth top electric range. You got your sink in the island. That backsplash, it's a cool backsplash. It's kind of got that travertine look, a subway tile with a travertine look, and in the corner we put a glass cabinet door for accent. And fridge. So anyway, let's take a look around. That's your main living area. It's all kind of one big, nice open room. And almost split. You got your master suite over here, and you got your second and third bedroom there, and your steps to your bonus room. But you have that nice spiral newel there for accent, and the baskets, the wrought iron baskets. Now we got a pantry here. Ta-da! For your dry goods. Got a nice spacious laundry room here. And a nice window, you see what your neighbors are doing. And of course our utility sink. Fiberglass utility sink. I love it, the shelf. Hanging laundry on. Pendant lights over the kitchen island. Nice big island with an overhang. And of course, you gotta have a place to plug in your mixer. Anyhow, there's the gas log fireplace, and here we have gas logs. You have a utility closet in the hallway. Bedroom 2 and 3. All wired for ceiling fans, and we put TV jacks down there. As well, TV jacks in here. We try to do that standard in second, third bedrooms as well, as most people end up requesting it and wanting it. It's again ceiling fan. And that door, I like that door. It's called Cheyenne, but it's a 2-panel. It's got the classic Roman arch with beadboard, a beadboard look. We got ceramic tile on the floor, quartz top. That's kind of a gray, kind of almost driftwood, like washed gray cabinet. And your tub shower. That's going to be your hall bath. And take a look at the master. Oh, like that window up above your dining area. So it gives you privacy from your neighbor, but lets lots of natural light in. And come around here. Master suite. Once again, we got the light with ceiling fan and a window seat. You know how we love our window seats. It looks like one color, but it's 2 different colors. We get that contrast, 2 different textures on that blue. Again, so you sit out there, it's kind of, we call it an away space. It's almost like a separate room. We put a can light and crown mold up in there, so when you actually sit in here, take a seat here so you can see. You got the whole wooded scene. You got your ceiling, and it's almost like you're in a different room, and that's why we have that dropped header. I've gone back and forth whether we make this a flat ceiling, but we end up dropping that so you feel like you've defined the space. Now over here, and we put outlets on each side so you can plug in your laptop, your iPad, charge your phone, what have you. And we got TV jacks over here. And once again, just like the other houses in this neighborhood, you have a door that goes right up to your screen porch from here. What's cool about this, and I really know it's nice because I have the same thing in my house. Go to your screen porch, but at night you want to hear the bushes. I mean, you want to hear the crickets, you want to hear the sounds of nature, hear the wind. When it's nice weather, you just open it up, leave it open. And you don't have to worry about opening and closing windows or hassling with all that. You just open the door. When you're done, close it right up. A nice screen porch. All right. Now into the master, we put a barn door. Well, we went with the same slab as the house, the same Cheyenne slab, but it does make for a nice touch here. On that, we went with the black strap and hinge set. And there's a garden tub with a tile surround, a tile feel. There's your big bath sash. You got his and her sinks. Lots of room in between. We went with the ovals here. The other house, we went with the, and then go with the rectangle. Commode room, own separate room. Shower, we got a great mosaic. We got a seat. We got a niche for all the belongings. And we got a temperature controlled shower. Shower setup. And here, the master closet. Plenty of room. Nice LED light. That's your master's bedroom and suite. Master suite and bedroom. You got the nice barn door. You got access to the screen porch. And you've got that super cool Mike Palmer Homes window seat. Your access to the house. Let's go take a look up at the bonus room. And we've got finished oak stairs. Oak threshold. Oak railing. And we come up into the bonus room. People love bonus rooms. If I'd have known how well they'd respond, every house in this neighborhood would have had a bonus room. But we did build a couple without. Anyway, put a TV jack there on the wall, but we can put the TV jack in the corner or wherever you want. We can even put multiple, then if you like more than one. And then there's your window. It's a casement window you can crank out. But you can see what's going on in the neighborhood, on the golf course, etc. And over here, attic space. I like a full door. I don't like those little doors. I avoid them when I can. I don't like to bump my head getting Christmas decorations out, and we built a nice big platform in here for lots of storage. And if we didn't have the air handler, we really had no choice. It was a slab, but you see there's lots of room up here. And I always prefer a stick-built roof over a truss roof. I just think it's a better product. It's 16 inches apart, and your roof lines look cleaner, so that's what we strive to do. Anyway, you notice we encapsulate all the insulation on the back side, and that is a new code, but it makes for a much more airtight home. Anyway, so that's it for the attic storage. You can see from this angle, it's got a nice spacious bonus room. This could be the office, the sewing room, the kids' room, or the flex room. One more look out the window. Anyway, so that's the Wilburn Ridge plan. It's been a nice plan for us in this neighborhood. Once again, it's got a good general purpose house. Great for the retirees or the empty nester or the young family starting out. Ends up being about 2,200 square feet. And it's got a lot of features. We'll give you one last look around here. And that's our home. We appreciate you watching these videos and visiting our site. We got a lot more great content to come. And once again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.